Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into an interesting problem that programmers might encounter. The problem at hand revolves around a program featuring a template in a concept, causing some confusion. Should this program be rejected despite being accepted by Clang? Let's take a closer look at the issue. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. According to the standard and its rules, the program in question falls under IFNDR due to the non-dependent use of an incomplete type. This means that despite appearances, the meaning of the expression at the point of definition differs from the point of instantiation. It's a subtle distinction, but an important one in understanding why Clang accepts the program, while GCC and MSVC do not. In summary, we delved into a perplexing programming problem and explored why Clang's acceptance of the program doesn't align with other compilers. Understanding the intricacies of template resolution and concept checking is crucial in ensuring code correctness across different environments. With that, we wrap up today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, programming puzzles like this keep our minds sharp